Tomorrow, the state capture inquiry will hear arguments on whether Jacob Zuma should be summoned to appear. The former president's legal team will oppose the inquiry's application that he present himself from the 25th of this month to the 31st of January. Now, reporter Michael Appel has more.
The last and only time former President Jacob Zuma appeared at the state capture inquiry was mid-July last year. In a nutshell, he denies every allegation and remembers little.
Well, I know nothing about this matter. No, I've got no idea what's happening here. Well, it's difficult to have a comment because I don't know why even that statement was made.
On that occasion, Zuma took issue with the inquiry legal team's line of questioning.
I'm being really cross-examined, very thoroughly, on the details. And I don't know what will be the outcome of that.
The former president's advocate similarly registering his displeasure.
I have a view that my client was brought in here under false pretenses. And now I need him to make up his mind whether he wants to be cross-examined.
Ultimately, Zuma's legal team pulled the plug, and he abruptly left the inquiry, promising to return. He agreed to do so in mid-November last year, but then jetted off to Cuba for medical treatment, reportedly linked to poisoning, and missed that deadline. In the past, the former president made no attempt to sugarcoat his opinion of the proceedings as something designed to ambush and humiliate him.
What is this thing called state capture? State capture.
Tuesday's proceedings are slightly unusual in that legal arguments around summons are normally heard in chambers rather than in public. But Zondo's commitment to transparency and fairness, especially towards this witness, will likely spare no effort to make sure proceedings involving Zuma are seen as such. Michael Appel, Johannesburg.